Today I'm testing out a new angle. I found a way to mount the ball below the windshield up front, so the camera's way up front. I'm not sure what it'll look like, but I'm feeling with the right length arm, this could really be the new standard. With the right arm. The 6-inch arm might be a little short. That's what I'm using right now. But with a 3-inch and a double ball extending it up and out just a little bit further, I think it'll make for an interesting perspective. We'll see. The idea was to get the camera as far forward as possible, so like when I did my 360 stuff, my Tiny Planets, that the windshield wasn't on one side and I was on the other. I kind of want to like Tiny Planet the front of the bike and just have my head bobbing in the background. Bobbing. So, we'll see. I'm taking a little pretty ride. I love these hills. This is the beginning of Mount Madonna, I believe. Well, but haven't really been there yet, so I don't know for sure. But that's what someone told me. I might go to Mount Madonna this week on my day off. Maybe fly the drone up there. It's supposed to be pretty. Although, to me, for it to be pretty, there has to be water. The water is what really like kicks it for the Tiny Planets. Water, rocks. I mean, I'm sure there'll be plenty of trees, but big fan of the water. So I'm running out of things to say. I guess I'll just merge the clips in. Let's see how this looks. It's very pretty. The only problem, the real problem is I can't reach the button from here. I mean, I would have the phone here, so I could start and stop recording from there. But I'm just saying, and I'm not sure I could power it over there. But I mean, for like, say, good example, Moab 128. This would be a beautiful angle. I have yet to shoot Moab with the good 360. I can't imagine how pretty it'll be. I'm going to do my best to hit it on the way home. I'm going to try. We'll see. Alright, the clouds are pretty something today. I love the combination. This is the blue sky, puffy white clouds. It's alright.